Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to delete a page in Google Sites. First, visit sites.google.com, then enter one of your already created websites. To delete a page on Google Sites, simply click on Pages from this corner. Then click on these three dots next to the page you want to delete. Let's delete this duplicated page. After that, select delete from this list. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my Google Sites online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Google Sites, building content, for example, how to write articles and upload videos or photos. Also, enhancing your Google Sites, like how to add an image carousel, a video background, a WhatsApp link, Facebook pixel. Also, publishing and managing, customizing and advanced features, like how to add sitemap to Google Sites. Additional features, like how to rotate images on Google Sites, how to resize images, print Google Sites. Also, another category of monetizing your Google Sites, for example, how to promote affiliate links on Google Sites. Special use cases for Google Sites, like how to use Google Sites to make a portfolio, a blog, a gaming website, how to create a login page, and finally, managing your Google site, like how to index your Google site and also how to export it. If you want to get access to all of this today for free, and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Select delete from this list, and just like that, your page is deleted from your website. To publish these changes, just click on this publish button from this corner, click again on publish, and wait a moment. As you can see, your site has been published successfully. Click on view. And this is how to delete a page in Google Sites. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.